Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down the pros and cons of Rufus, one of the most popular tools for creating bootable USB drives. If you're looking to install or repair operating systems, or just want to know if Rufus is the right tool for you, stick around. And of course, hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tips and tutorials. Let's start with the pros. First, Rufus is fast and lightweight. It can turn a USB drive into a bootable installation medium in just a few minutes. And because it's portable, you don't even need to install it on your computer. This makes it perfect for quick setups or troubleshooting multiple machines. Next, Rufus is highly compatible. It works with Windows, Linux, and live USB environments, and supports both BIOS and UEFI boot modes. You can also choose between MBR and GPT partition schemes and select the file system that best fits your setup, whether it's FAT32 or NTFS. This flexibility makes Rufus reliable across a wide range of hardware. Another big advantage is advanced customization. If you're tech savvy, you can tweak settings like cluster size, formatting options, and more. For beginners, the default options work perfectly, but advanced users have full control if needed. And, of course, Rufus is free and open source, so you get a trusted, community-supported tool without any hidden fees or ads. Now, let's talk about the cons. First, Rufus is Windows only. If you primarily use macOS or Linux, you'll need a different tool to create bootable USB drives. Second, because it gives you so many options, it can be intimidating for beginners. Choosing the wrong drive or partition scheme can lead to data loss if you're not careful. Another potential downside is that the speed of creating bootable media depends on your USB drive. A slow or faulty drive can make the process longer or even fail. Finally, while Rufus is reliable, some users have reported occasional failures or issues when using older hardware or unusual ISO images. So, who is Rufus best for? If you're on Windows, need a fast, flexible, and free tool to create bootable USBs, and are comfortable checking settings before starting, Rufus is an excellent choice. If you're on macOS/Linux or want a simpler, more guided interface, you might consider other tools. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might need it, and subscribe for more tech guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.